Welcome to HearingBi. HearingBi is designed to interface with screening devices and provide contacts and leads for hearing clinics. When entering HearingBi, you'll start with a dashboard. The dashboard will show you contacts, leads, follow-ups, as well as stats by region and kiosk stats. Before any of this can be accomplished, we first need to go through the setup process of HearingBi. To get there, you can click the Administration tab. When first purchasing a MedRex kiosk, if you would like to register this kiosk, you'll need to divide your system into regions, stores, and kiosks. Within regions, you can create as many regions as you would like. Simply click the Create Region button and define a region name. Once your region is selected, you'll need to place stores inside of this region. When placing a store in a region, simply pick the region that the store is located, type the name, address, phone number, state, country, city, and the type of store where the kiosk will be located. Click Save to save the store. Once you have created your store, you'll now need to add a kiosk to that store. You can have multiple kiosks inside of a single store. You can also have multiple stores inside of a single region. As we just created the HearingBi store, we will now place the kiosk there. The follow-up required will be a visualization in the leads table so that you can visually see what customers and sort by what customers need to follow up with a provider. This is not designed on whether to follow up with a customer, but to follow up with potentially a physician or physician's office that you have placed this kiosk. Now that you have created the store, this store will be available inside of the North region. Store HearingBi inside of the MedRex kiosk. When signing in through MedRex kiosk, you would select North HearingBi kiosk near pharmacy, and that will activate the store. You can only activate the kiosk through the MedRex kiosk software. As well, if you would like to deactivate the kiosk, you would need to deactivate the kiosk through the HearingBi application. You may also edit the kiosk at any time. Once you have created the kiosk, you are now ready to assign that within the MedRex kiosk software. Once assigned in the MedRex kiosk software, all contacts and leads will show up under the kiosk near pharmacy under store name HearingBi inside of the contacts section. You can see the kiosk name here and the store name here, as well as the region. You are able to sort by regions, stores, or kiosk names to determine exactly how well that kiosk is doing. Additionally, for setup, you may create various users inside of your HearingBi account. This will allow multiple people to view the screening dashboards as well as set up kiosks, stores, and regions. HearingBi allows you to create users and roles to build out your system and allow management across different individuals. Roles will allow you to assign permissions to the various role name. As you create a role, you can assign whatever name you would like and then select the permissions that you would like that role to be able to have. For instance, adding kiosks, adding regions, adding stores, adding roles, adding new users, creating contacts, working through the Leads tab, and other functions that are available inside of HearingBi. You may also create new users and assign them the roles that are available. It is recommended to set random passwords and have them change the password on next login. You will send emails to all customers or all users that have been created. It is also recommended to send an activation email to make sure that you have entered the email correctly. Once you have filled out all of this information, you would then assign the role that you would like this user to have. Questions and answers mapping are the questionnaire results that will be asked inside of the MedRex kiosk. You can view these at this time and see what questions are available and what the answers will be. Audit logs will allow you to see exactly how your system has been interactive with. You can see the user that has entered the system, where they were at the time of the access, and what information they were doing at that login. The Settings tab will allow you to change the application logo, which will be displayed in the top left. This is also the logo that will be used when sending any email to the customer. You may also use the admin selection options. These are the options that you will find within the Leads and Contacts session context. You may also enter the various types of kiosks that are available. As you see, you will see request and status here. What these will determine is inside of a contact or a lead. When you want to view the results, you could go to session track, and you would see that these would be the requests and the various requests available, so that you can build these out specific to your organization, as well as the statuses that are available. Inside of the Contacts tab is where you will find the customer's specific information, their audiogram information and questionnaire results, as well as their session track. The session track is designed for basic CRM functionality. It allows you to set follow-up dates, what the client is requesting, where they are in their appointment journey, as well as any notes that you may have for this customer. The Leads tab is a filtered version of the Contacts tab. The Leads tab will display all customers who have hearing loss and have accepted the terms and conditions so that you may contact them for further follow-up. The screening dashboard will show the overall results of all the kiosks that you have available. You can see kiosks by regions, individual kiosks, the number of total hearing screening results, and the performance by day, by week, or by month. You may filter to whatever dates you would like to view at the time. Thank you, and we hope that you enjoy the HearingBi web database.